The 21st match of IPL 2025 will see the Kolkata Knight Riders lock horns with the Lucknow Super Giants at the iconic Eden Gardens on 8th April, 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Both the teams have had similar journeys so far in the tournament, with 2 wins out of their 4 games. KKR is currently placed at the 5th on the points table, but LSG trails close behind it with 6th position. Kolkata Knight Riders come into this match on a high, having defeated Sunrisers Hyderabad by a massive 80-run margin in their last match, thanks to a solid 60-run knock by Venkatesh Iyer. Meanwhile, Lucknow Super Giants, on the other hand, are riding momentum after a hard-fought 12-run victory over Mumbai Indians, where Mitchell Marsh stood out with a half-century. Moving on to head-to-head record of this high-stakes encounter. Historically, LSG have had an upper hand in this contest, winning 3 out of 5 matches played against KKR. However, playing at home in the Eden Gardens, KKR will look to level this rivalry. Now moving on to LSG versus KKR, weather and pitch report. Temperatures are expected at around 28 degrees Celsius, where the forecast is scattered clouds. Pitch behavior is batting friendly, best suited to the pace bowlers. Average first inning score here is around 202 runs, and record of chasing team is poor, having just 44% win rate. Now moving on to LSG versus KKR predicted playing 11s. Firstly, the Kolkata Knight Riders, Sunil Narine opening alongside Quinton de Kock, the wicket keeper. Ajinkya Rahane, the captain, at number 3, Ankuresh Raghuvanshi at number 4, Venkatesh Iyer at number 5, Rinku Singh at number 6, Moeen Ali at number 7, Andre Russell at number 8, Ramandeep Singh at number 9, Harshit Rana at number 10, Varun Chakravarti at number 11, and Vaibhav Arora can come in as the impact player. Moving on to Lucknow Super Giants, Aiden Markram opening alongside Mitchell Marsh, Nicholas Pooran, the informed batsman, at number 3, Rishabh Pant, the captain, at number 4, Ayush Badoni at number 5, David Miller at number 6, Abdul Samad at number 7, Shardul Thakur at number 8, Digvesh Singh Rathi at number 9, Akash Deep at number 10, Avesh Khan at number 11, and Ravi Bishnoi can come in as the impact player. Now the hot picks of KKR versus LSG match, Dream 11 predictions, and the fantasy cricket tips. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Mitchell Marsh coming off a 60-run knock and opening the innings, Marsh is in great touch and is reliable captaincy option. Nicholas Pooran, despite a quiet last game, Pooran's explosive potential can swing any match. Now the top picks, Quinton de Kock, explosive at the top with the dual value of wicket keeping. He remains a strong fantasy choice. Sunil Narine contributing in both the departments. Narine is always in the game and is a potential game changer. Now the budget picks, Digvesh Singh offers tight spells in the middle and can grab wickets under pressure. Ankuresh Raghuvanshi, a young, consistent middle order batsman who can be a safe differential pick. Now KKR versus LSG, Dream 11 predicted team 1, safe team for the small leagues. Wicket keepers are Nicholas Pooran, Quinton de Kock, and Rishabh Pant. Batsmen are Mitchell Marsh, Venkatesh Iyer, and Ajinkya Rahane. All-rounders are Sunil Narine, Andre Russell, Aiden Markram, and bowlers are Varun Chakravarti, Shardul Thakur. This team will be led by Nicholas Pooran, having Sunil Narine as his deputy. Now moving on to KKR versus LSG, Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are Nicholas Pooran and Quinton de Kock. Batsmen are Mitchell Marsh, Venkatesh Iyer, and Ajinkya Rahane. All-rounders are Sunil Narine, Andre Russell, Aiden Markram, and Moeen Ali. And the bowlers are Varun Chakravarti and Shardul Thakur. This team will be led by seasoned Mitchell Marsh, having Quinton de Kock, the wicketkeeper batsman, as the vice-captain. Now KKR versus LSG, players to avoid for this match. Shahbaz Ahmed with 7 credits, did not play in the last match, so should be avoided. Ramandeep Singh again with 7 credits, 4 points in the last match, so can be avoided. Moving on to the expert advice. Small league captaincy choice, Nicholas Pooran. Grand league captaincy choice, Mitchell Marsh. Punt picks are Moeen Ali and Rishabh Pant. An ideal Dream 11 team combination is 3 wicket keepers, 3 batsmen, 3 all-rounders, and 2 bowlers. Now finally, LSG versus KKR match prediction. With both the teams having momentum and match winners in their ranks, Kolkata Knight Riders hold a slight edge, playing in the familiar home conditions. Lucknow's bowling attack might struggle if early breakthroughs are not achieved. So final prediction is Kolkata Knight Riders to win the match. Stay tuned for more of such analysis, Dream 11 predictions, and match predictions only on your favorite channel.